coming to the today's class, I have been starting the development classes. So under the development classes, the first day I'm giving some introduction on the development, whatever it may be, what is development, how we need to create some basic development programs. Okay, each and everything I want to give some idea. So first of all, let me try to start the development. Before starting the development, what are the things you need to know on the admin? Coming to the admin part, how to create an objects and how to create a relationship in between the objects. If these two things you know means it's absolutely fine. Shravani, you practice at these things, how to create an objects, like and a relationship in between the objects. Look up
Yes,
and
I
master detail.
practiced.
What about
Yes.
James? James. James, you practice the relationship in between the object, look up and master detail.
Uh, yes, I was practicing a little bit today.
No, no, no. Previously, long ago, I hope you practiced or not. Look up and master detail relationship in between the
Yes.
objects. Okay, if you practice, it means it's absolutely fine. Okay, one time practice it's in Teju. Anyone not practiced? Like look up and master detail. As previous, I discussed about how to create an objects and how to maintain a relationship in between the objects. Teju, I hope you also complete it. Look up and master detail in your org.
Uh,
Te-
no, Venkat, I think I haven't completed that one.
Look up and master detail also you did not complete it.
Yeah, I think so. It's been 3 months, right? I don't remember.
I hope you complete. I think on the day you send it the screenshots also. Yeah. Okay, if you did not complete it, Teju, no worries. See the first video of relationships and complete it. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I think you created an objects and you send it the relationships also
Yeah,
on that particular time.
objects.
Objects you completed.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Tanya, you completed relationships.
Oh my God. I'll have to do it.
Who is it? Objects creation. Objects creation, Tanya.
I did it.
Okay, fine. Relationships also please complete Tanya today. Okay, take it as a priority and complete it today. Okay.
Sure.
Yeah. So coming to the today's class, regularly please join everyone. Okay, everyone please join regularly from today onwards. I'm teaching the development. Yeah. The people who are fear in coding, I'll start from very basics onwards. So I'll lose all your fear. So kindly please join
Uh,
the regular classes. Yeah. Yes,
Venkat,
Teju.
is there any other timings available?
No, no, no. This is the same timings we are continuing. Teju 8:20 to 9:20. Yeah.
7 to 8.
Sorry. 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. Sorry. 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. The regular class same timings. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Because we are
Is it
continuing the
possible
same.
to put 8 to 9?
No, Teju. Sorry for this. Because the same timings we are continuing from past. Okay, it will be continued the same timings. Yeah.
Okay, Venkat.
Yeah, because the people have some office timings now. That is the reason. Everyone is available in these timings. Like the people who join this batch, that's why we are conducting the same timings as per their
Okay.
convenience. Yeah.
Okay, Venkat.
Okay, so coming to the today onwards, I'm teaching the Salesforce development. Salesforce development is designed using Apex programming. Okay, similarly, I had been created some educational application inside the educational application that hiring manager position candidates. Just I use different types of objects and we created some data security. So different types of things. In the similarly development also let's use that appropriate things objects and let's explore some more things. Okay, first of all, I'm teaching the basics of Salesforce. Okay, the people who are not aware about the basic coding also no worries. I'll teach from very basics from scratch onwards. Okay, very basic from scratch onwards. Under the basics of Salesforce, I use it to teach if else statements. Okay, like looping statements, arrays, collection, everything one by one I'll teach. Okay, list, set, map. Okay, with the different types of examples, each and everything I use it to teach. Like first of all, I'll start with very basic programming. Okay, after completion of that, I'll teach with OOPS concepts. Like in other programming language, OOPS concepts will make a high priority. Okay, in other concepts, OOPS concepts will make a high priority. But in Salesforce development, Apex programming in Salesforce, OOPS concepts are not a high priority. But I'll explain all the concepts. Like we have polymorphism, encapsulation, interface, inheritance, and constructor. And also I'll discuss about access specifiers. Okay, etc. We have different types of topics. Let me try to cover each and everything. Anyone know the full form of OOPS? Full form of OOPS. Anyone?
Object oriented programming.
Object oriented programming.
Yes, object oriented programming. Okay, like other concepts also I'll teach you. So coming to the OOPS concept. OOPS concepts is not a high priority and also exceptional handling. So under the exceptional handling, so there are different types of exceptions like DML exception. Everything I'll design in multiple programs like SOQL exception. Okay, too many DML statements. These are the real-time exceptions. Unlist exception, query exception, S object exception. Every exception I'll create a program and I'll show you. S object exception. And what are the other things like too many DML statements, too many SOQL, custom exception, etc. Okay, after completion of exceptional handling, I'll teach SOQL. From this onwards, exact Salesforce Apex programming will be started. So here, like we have scenarios, multiple scenarios, and multiple topics are available. I'll teach one by one. SOQL is nothing but Salesforce Object Query Language. Salesforce Object Query Language. Is my voice is breaking or it is fine?
You have
It is
like
fine,
background
but there is
noise,
background noise.
Is it similar
like
to
wind
SQL?
or something.
Yeah, like I after fan now it's fine. Now
It's
it's
okay,
fine.
but SOQL is similar to SQL.
Yes, SOQL is similar to SQL but not SQL. Exactly, it's similar. Okay. Yeah. Is my voice is breaking or it's fine?
Oh, so much better.
No, it is
Okay, fine.
fine.
Okay, because I off fan, that's it. Okay. Salesforce Object Search Language. And we have DML statements. And also we have database class methods. Each and everything I'll discuss with different examples. By taking our educational application also as a reference, I'll take each and every with different scenarios. Yeah. And after this, I'll start with the triggers. Triggers is a most important topic. Triggers and asynchronous programming. Okay, I'm saying again. Triggers and asynchronous programming is a most important topic. Okay, exactly like in the real time, we will use the triggers as well as asynchronous programming. Inside the Apex class, we'll connect with the triggers, and inside that Apex class, we'll design some SQL queries to retrieve the records from the backend. And as per the client requirement, we'll implement the operations. Yeah, triggers in the
For
interview
this
question.
important topic, how many time we are gonna spend on that one?
Which one?
There's
Which one? Which one you are saying?
You said that the
Yes.
triggers are the most important. So how many
Yeah,
times?
yeah, 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 yeah. I'll implement it. There are multiple use cases are there, James. I'll implement it. After completion of SOKL and SYSL, I'll start with the triggers. There are some multiple use cases I'll design in the triggers. Yeah, I'll
No,
design.
James'
So
question was how much time it will it take, or how much time we need to give for this SOQL triggers.
triggers like I use it to, yeah, at least like I'm requesting that at least try to execute 2 hours. Okay, like for 5 to 6 days, then you'll be perfect, James. Yeah. Okay.
Understood. Thank you. Thank you for both of you.
Yes. Okay, just I'll discuss about trigger best practices and also trigger events. Okay, and also trigger context variables. Okay, I'll discuss different use cases on the triggers. Okay, different use cases under the trigger and trigger handler factory. There are multiple things is there. Trigger handler factory means calling apex class from the trigger. Okay, like connecting the object, like multi backend operations, each and everything. No need of connection in between the admin database to development. By using triggers, it will be connected, and the operations have been executed as per the requirement. Okay, and order of executions of the triggers. One by one, I'll explain it in the coming classes. There are multiple use cases I'll discuss. There are multiple use cases I'll discuss regarding the triggers. Anyone remember the validation rules inside the development?
Yes, Venkat.
Okay, so validation rules is also similar to triggers. Validation rules, just only we can implement the minimal requirement. Okay, like 100 validation rules like that. But by using the triggers, we can implement more than what we are expected. Okay, like I mean that complex things are also possible by using these validation rules, whatever it may, sorry, triggers. But by using validation rules, it is not possible. In the upcoming classes, I'll give you idea on each and everything. After completion of the triggers, I'll teach asynchronous. In interviews also they will ask you the triggers, definitely. I'll tell you which questions they will ask you on the triggers also, coding questions. Okay, I'll tell you one thing. Okay, there is some limitation to the Salesforce. Okay, there is some limitation to Salesforce. The limitation is it can handle some minimal amount of records. Okay, like for example, if you want to handle more number of records, if you want to handle more number of records by using asynchronous programming, it is possible. By using asynchronous programming, it is possible. And I will ask you one question. Like for example, just imagine, like if your EMI is today is 6th, okay, 5th. Okay, just imagine your EMI is 7th June or 8th June or whatever it may be. Immediately before 2 days or 3 days, you will get an email or not. If you did not pay it, if your EMI is due or whatever it may be, at least you will get some reminder. Anyone observed that?
Yes, Venkat, we get that.
I will ask you one question. Like in our company, so we have a single people or multiple people are there, thousands of people, lakhs of people are there. Like for paying EMIs or whatever it may be. Just imagine HDFC Bank only. Multiple peoples are there. Multiple people means, okay, by using asynchronous programming, it is easy to retrieve multiple people amount of data, and it is easy to send email notifications by using email programming. Yes, I'll discuss this particular thing also. It is very, very important. In interviews, theoretical questions also will be asked here. Okay, batch apex, schedule apex, future method, queuable apex. Batch apex and schedule apex are very, very important. Okay, like flex queue, apex queue. I'll take different scenarios on this. Database dot stateful. Okay, each and everything I'll discuss in the upcoming classes. Yeah. Mostly in the real time we'll use batch apex, database dot stateful, schedule apex, that's it. Sometimes feature method, that's it. And another thing is like sometimes we need to execute under specified time intervals. Specified time intervals means every day, okay, at 2 a.m. I need to execute this particular information. Or every day 5 a.m. I need to execute this information. Every day 10 a.m. I need to execute this information at specified time intervals. Okay. By using schedule apex, we can schedule. Okay, by using schedule apex, we can schedule the apex programming at specified time intervals. Yes, I'll teach this particular thing also. Yeah, like there are some multiple amount of time I'll like we'll utilize the time to see the scenarios each and everything. Triggers from here onwards, exact apex programming will be started. Here only I'll discuss email programming also. After completion of this VF pages, test classes. I will ask you one question. Okay, for example, if you design the information, okay, first of all, you need to test yourself or not, whether it is working fine or not. We need to verify ourselves or not.
Yes.
Definitely, we need to verify ourselves whether first of all it is working fine or not. That is nothing but unit testing. Okay, like we need to write some test classes. Okay, for triggers and asynchronous programming. Okay, I'll write some test classes for triggers and asynchronous programming in the upcoming classes. Yeah. After completion, at last I'll teach VF pages. Okay, it's like UI, which is developed in 2010, but now we are not using. But now we are not using. But I'll teach this particular concept also. Also, yeah. And also as part that interview questions will be shared regularly. Okay, like I will ask you one questions. Can I share module wise interview questions, or can I share like at the after completion of all the things? Can I share module wise interview questions?
Module wise should be fine, Venkat. Please share
Yeah.
module wise, Venkat.
Yeah, I will share the module wise interview questions after completion of all mostly interview point of view. From here only, from here onwards, interview questions will be asked. Okay, but at least try to learn some things here also. Okay, I'll give the module wise interview questions, everyone. Yeah. Please be ready. I'll give the module wise interview questions. Like after completion of each module, then you can prepare the interview questions also according to that. Okay. But actually, from here onwards, actual interview questions will be asked. Still here. But I'll give these particular questions also. Maybe if sometimes rarely they asked also, you can easily answer. Okay, I'll share the module wise interview questions. Even I prepared the questions also. According to that, I prepared also. Yeah, like first I given with the triggers. Because mod asynchronous programming, these are important in each and every interviews. Okay, then exceptional handling, then all basics of Salesforce and oops concepts I combined here. Okay, so after completion of these two topics, I'll give the interview questions, and after this regularly exceptional handling. After completion of each topic, I'll give it, because these are not high priority. These from here onwards high priority things will be happen. Yeah, in the upcoming classes I'll give you each and everything. Yeah, no worries.
Apex
Okay,
is
these are.
really robust, so it's gonna be
Hmm?
enough amount to learn the whole language.
No need to learn any of the languages. I'll teach everything from scratch. Yeah. I'll teach everything, no worries. Okay, James. And another thing. Okay, this is about a complete idea. Anyone have any queries? Anyone have any queries? This is about a complete idea. Anyone have any queries? Anyone have any queries? After completion of this, I'll start the LWC.
It's possible to program in Visual Studio Code, or we are gonna use just Salesforce
No need of
tool.
no need of using Visual Studio Code. Here on the Lightning Web Component we'll use. Okay, how to design the code I'll showing you. Okay, just you need to click on setup. Everyone able to see the developer console? Developer console. Click on this developer console. Okay, here I'm designing our codes. Okay, here I'm designing all my codes. What are the things which I'm teaching in the upcoming classes? I'm creating a course here. Okay, like previously here, no navigation has like a previous. No navigations as like a previous. Okay, so you'll not face any difficulty here. Click on file, click on new, Apex class. Everyone able to see? Click on file, click on new, Apex class. Okay, just June program 1. Click on OK. Yes, everyone able to see the program?
Yes.
Okay, like so here we have classes, objects. Okay, yes, like every time. Okay, this is the structure. This is the structure of the class. Okay, class name. Okay, inside the method. Okay, inside the method you need to write the logic. Inside the method you need to write the logic. Okay, inside the method you need to write the logic. Okay, every time. Just I'm creating one method. Public static void. Just this is the syntax. Method name. Okay, inside this method I'm writing the logic. You can mention method name is your wish. Okay, let's create one method. Public static void method 1. Okay, just I'm creating. So in Java we'll use like system.out.println. Okay, like in C++ we'll use like cout and cn, and in Python we'll use println. Okay, like we have in JavaScript we'll use console.log. Like this we have different types of notation based on the programming language. Okay, here we'll use system.debug to print the output. To print the output I'll use system.debug hello world. Just to print the output I'm using system.debug. Okay, to save the data control plus s. Control plus s. I'm saying again control plus s to save the data. Immediately it is saving. Yes. To execute this program. To execute this program. Okay, click on debug. Open execute anonymous window. Just what is my program? June program 1 dot. Okay, that to execute the program I need to use navigate to execute anonymous window. Like multiple programs I'll design. No worries. This is your starting class. And class name dot method name you need to call. Okay, whenever if you enable the open logs option, click on execute. Yeah, yes, enable the debug only option. You can able to see the output. Everyone able to see the output.
Everyone able to see the output? Hello world?
Yes,
Yes,
Venkat.
Vanshul.
Yeah. Like Apex programming. Okay, so what we studied from past classes, we studied admin, and after that we came to development. Development is nothing but Apex programming. Not then LWC, admin. Okay, it is nothing but a database. We completed successfully. Okay, now Salesforce development. It is nothing but Apex programming. Okay, now Salesforce, then Salesforce LWC. It's like a front end UI. And also experience cloud deploying also I'll done it. Do it. It's like a backend. Yeah. I'll see at last I'll see interaction between admin to backend to LWC. Easy steps I'll do it. No worries. No worries. Okay, now let's continue this particular development Apex programming. Yeah, like this. This is the process. Just I executed one program. Anyone have any queries? Anyone have any queries on this?
So Venkat, can you please go to the programming?
Yes, please.
So what is the static void? Method name is the method name. I understood that. What is that static and void?
Yes, I'll explain it. I'll explain it. No worries. I'll explain it. So what is the use of static keyword? Okay, I'll explain it. Okay.
Okay, Venkat.
Just as per the execution point of view every time. So we need to use the same logic. Okay, same logic practice. Same public class name. Okay, public static method name. So here void does not return any value. Okay. If you use a void means it does not return any value. Okay, no need to use a return statement. If you use a void means. Okay, like no need to use a return statement. I'm saying again. No need to use a return statement. And another thing is a static. Static remains a constant. Okay. So for example, okay, like we have here method name. Whatever the method name you declared, okay, like it will become constant until then. Like if you created another method means you need to create with another variable name, not with the same name. Okay. To make that particular method unique, just we'll use a static. Every time when you are creating a method, we'll use a static as well as a void. Yeah. Every time whenever you're creating a method, so you'll use a static as well as a void. I'm saying again to everyone. Okay. Every time whenever you're creating, mainly without like it is used to associate a variable with a class rather than a specific instance. Okay. Like there is some information I want to convey on upcoming classes under the static upcoming classes. But every time when you created the method, you'll use a static keyword. Okay. This is a common every time. In upcoming classes, I'll give you some idea on the static and non-static also, whatever it may be. Yeah. Everyone understood the execution. First of all, everyone understood the execution. How I done the execution?
Yes.
Just a process. Everyone understood the process.
Venkat, I
Okay.
understood, but what is the method one here? Is
So this is the method one.
okay, okay, okay,
Yeah. See, I mentioned the method name. Yeah. That's I mentioned method one.
okay.
Method name is method one. Even you can mention method name. It's your wish. Okay, completely.
That will become like the variable.
It's not value. It's like method name. Method name. It's your wish. You can mention James also. Okay. Then you need to call. If you clicked on execute, okay, immediately James method will be executed. Yes, same output. Just method name I changed it. That's it. Yeah, let's see. Okay, let's see what is Apex programming. Okay, what is Apex programming? Apex is a cloud-based object-oriented programming language. Okay, which does not require any installations in your system. Which does not require any installations. Just if you have a Google Chrome and if you have Salesforce, okay, it's absolutely fine. Okay, through Apex programming, we can implement the complex validations. Okay, and complex business logics. And everything you can implement it easily. Okay, we can perform different DML operations like insert, update, delete, undelete, upset, etc. Among all this, insert is very high important one. Okay, like by using Apex programming, we can fetch the records. Is my voice is breaking or it's clear?
Like that, what is DML?
DML is nothing but a data manipulation language. Inside the SOQL and SYSL, I'll discuss. Okay, database operations. Okay, like by using this, we can fetch the records. By using Apex program, we can fetch the records with the help of SOQL queries. We'll not use SYSL in the real time also. We'll use SOQL only. I'll discuss both of them. We can process multiple amount of, we can process millions of records with the help of batch processing. Like this, so many things are there if I want to say about this Apex programming. Okay, I want to say about Apex programming. Yeah. So many things are there if you want to continue on the Apex programming. Can I start my first topic today? Can I start my first topic today?
Yeah.
Can I start my first topic?
Yes,
Because,
Pankaj.
okay, fine then. I'll start it. Yeah, I'll start my first topic today. Yeah, yes. So we have variables and data types. Okay, like we have two data types. We have two types of data types. Okay, one is a primitive data types and another is a non-primitive data types. Non-primitive data types are nothing but S-object data types. What is non-primitive data types? Account, contact, opportunity, which I discussed. Hiring manager position. Anyone remembered? S-object. S-object data types. Anyone remembered? Anyone remembered?
Sure.
S-object data
Yes, yes,
types.
yes.
Yeah, yeah, yes.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. These are all the things comes under S-object data types. And coming to primitive data types, it will comes like integer, string. Okay, like this. We have different things. Boolean, date, time, date, time, etc. As like when we are creating fields, we have multiple data types. These are all the comes under primitive data types. Yeah, these are all the things. Now let's create one program. Then you'll able to understand somewhat. Yeah. 1 minute, Tima. Stop sharing. 1 minute. Yeah, I'm sharing my screen. Yeah. Is my screen is visible? Is my screen is visible to everyone?
Now, yes.
Okay, just I'm clicking on file, click on new Apex class. Okay, just basic program June 1. Just I'm creating normally. Click on OK. Okay, now first of all what I need to do? First of all what I need to do? I need to create a method. Public static void method 1. Okay, now let's see the primitive and non-primitive information also. Okay, so let's see the primitive first of all. Okay, like integer. Just I'm creating some variable. Okay, and I'm assigning the value. Integer a equal to 23. And just I'm creating some data. And decimal. Just I'm giving some salary also. Okay, this is a decimal value. Yeah, decimal value. Okay, this is nothing but a data type. This is nothing but a data type. Okay, this is nothing but a variable. What is the thing information we assign? This is nothing but a variable. And this is nothing but a value. Yeah, this is nothing but a value. Just a clear picture. This is the thing. Yeah, let's assign different things. Like we have ID data type. Okay, let's see ID. Let's take any of the ID from the backend. Like we have account object or contact, hiring manager, anything, lead, any object. Let's take one of the ID. Okay, I'm copying the record ID. Okay, I'm copying the record ID. Yes. And I'm placing the record ID here. And I'm creating the boolean variable. True. True or false. Two things are there. Boolean. And I'm giving the shipment date as today's date. Okay. Shipment date I'm giving as today's date. Date dot today means it will indicate as today's date. And I want to indicate the long integer. Okay, long integer. Just as like a company revenue. Yeah, I'm giving long at the end. And let's give the double value. Double. 3.14, 4.14, 5.123 like this. Yeah, this is one thing. I want to give the time also. Date with time. Everyone is understanding what I'm teaching. Just it's like a basic things I'm teaching. Everyone is understanding.
Yes,
Yes.
Venkat. In case of time in ID, how does it take us variable or data type? In case of
This
ID
is
space ID.
1 minute. This is a data type. Okay, the first indication is a data type. This is nothing but a variable. And this is a value. Okay, you can use variable name anything. It's your wish. Okay, variable name anything. It's your wish. I'm saying again.
Yes,
Okay, the
yes,
data type means specific one. Okay, it's not any special. You can use Rajesh also. Okay, it's not a specific one to use ID. Okay, just a variable name is your wish. Okay, or SM.
Venkat, what is winner in Boolean?
Is vendor is a variable name. You can take anything. Data type is
Okay.
compulsory. Okay, variable name. Variable name is your wish. You can mention any name.
Okay.
So first is data type, then variable, assigning value to the variable.
Yeah,
Yes,
the
yes,
variable can
exactly.
be anything at all. It doesn't
Hmm?
matter what you put there. The important is the data type and what you assign after the equal sign.
Okay, the structure of this is the first is a data type James, after that variable name, then value. Okay, this is the structure. Every time the same.
Yep.
Okay, and I'm giving the date with time. Okay, current date with time. Okay, current date with time. Date time dot now. Okay, correct time with time. And here I'm getting only time. Instead of getting the date, I'm getting only the time. Current time. Yes. Okay, if you want to print the information, I'm using system.debug. Okay, just I'm printing all the variables, system.debug of each and everything. Okay, system.debug of SKL, system.debug of SM, system.debug of is winner.
Venkat,
Yes, please.
normally to print the statements in Java we use system.out.println, but in Apex we have to use system.debug every time.
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
Yes.
Sir, is
Okay.
it case sensitive or insensitive, sir?
So about you're asking about Apex programming. Apex programming is a case. It's not a case sensitive. Okay. Apex programming is not a case sensitive program. Yeah. Case insensitive. Okay. It's not a case sensitive. And we have system.debug of just I'm printing the data by using this statement. System.debug of everyone after completion of the class. Please execute once. Is my voice is breaking or everything is fine? Everything is fine.
Everything is fine.
Okay, I hope like at evening my voice is breaking. I think due to some high network issues at evening. Yeah, I think morning class everything is absolutely fine. It is going on. Yeah.
So you have another batch, Venkat.
How? Yes, at evening LWC. Okay, presently I'm teaching LWC. It's end of the LWC. Yeah. At evening I'm teaching. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. How I need to execute this program? Teju, how to execute this program? How to execute
Debug,
this program, Teju?
Go to
Okay.
click on the
debug,
debug,
Open execute
open exit
anonymous.
execute as.
announcement.
Yeah.
Yes, exactly. Copying this dot method name. Okay.
Program
Click on.
dot
You need to
method
click on.
name.
Yes. Yes.
Class dot
Class
method
dot
name.
method. Yes. Excellent. Because just you need to click on open log. Click on execute. Okay. You can able to see the information. Yes. Everyone able to see the output. So here I got some time only. Here I got a current date with the time also. Yeah. Everyone able to see. Yeah, this is the execution I got. Whatever the information I'm printing through system.debug. And another thing I want to highlight, what are the things which I'm teaching as like regular, as previously I given each and every information in the like notepad file. Just similarly here also I'll give the information in the notepad file. Okay, here no need of screenshots, just only you need code. Okay, everything I'll give the code each and everything. No need to write from your end. Everything I'll provide it. Everything I'll provide it. Everything I'll provide it regularly. This is the thing. Anyone have any queries on this particular execution and program? Anyone have any queries?
So
No.
Venkat
So
here,
instead of
Anyone have any queries?
yeah,
Hmm? Yes, you are saying something. Please continue one by one.
yeah, Venkat. Actually, every time we have to write this debug code for all variables or
Like
method,
in the
whatever.
one minute. In the real time, we'll not design a code like that. We'll create a triggers and we'll connect with Apex programming. What are the Apex programming which I teach? I'll connect with Apex programming. Whenever if any objects has been done execution, then immediately this trigger will be executed. No need to give the system.debug. System.debug we are giving. Why we are giving system.debug means to see the output as per the execution it is executing or not. Okay. Like we will not create a separate variables every time. We'll store to the list collection, like at a time we'll print all the data instead of showing like this. Okay.
Okay.
so do we have any what do you call? I want to know what are the data types available in developer console. Uh, is that a page or something like that we have?
Like if you want to know search like what are the data types, like we can able to find out each and everything here. Okay, like we have Apex developer guide, you can able to find it. Okay, so we have primitive, non-primitive. Yeah, these are all the things. See, integer, double, long, date, time, string, double. Are you able to see?
Yeah, Venkat.
Yeah. Yeah, I know that we have, but because we have a wide ocean, whatever it may be, in every language or whatever it may be, so we need to learn the things, whatever it is essential in the project as well as interview point of view also. Yeah. Like even when you go to the project, you need to develop the things. That is the thing. Like that particular pattern, I designed my course regularly. I'll complete it according to that. Yeah. Regularly, I'll complete it according to that, whatever which is essential and what is which is important priority one, like intermediate advanced level, each and everything. Okay, everything I'll cover one by one. I hope it's sufficient, like because this is our first class. At least I given some introduction to our basic this thing, and also I given some first Apex program. It's absolutely fine. Okay, let us continue tomorrow. From tomorrow onwards the timing should be 7 to 8, sometimes it should be extended to 5 to 6 minutes also. Yeah.
Thank
This
you.
is about today's class time. Thank you, everyone. I'm stopping the recording. Thank you. Bye, everyone.
So Venkat, hope you have placed the course structure in the development folder.
Development folder, I think not placed. I'll place it today. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. In the admin only, I placed all the content. Admin development LWC. Rajesh. Okay, team. Thank you. I'm stopping the recording. Bye, everyone.